The holy fasting month of Ramadan has started in the Gaza Strip as Israel is pressing ahead with its genocidal war on the besieged Palestinian territory, exacerbating a humanitarian crisis there. Monday marked the beginning of Ramadan, during which Muslims abstain from food and water from sunrise to sunset in Gaza, where the entire 2.2 million population are unable to meet their food needs. More than 5 months of brutal Israeli attacks have caused extreme hunger among the Gazans. At least 25 people, most of them children, have died from malnutrition and dehydration in the Palestinian territory in recent days. Israel has blocked the entry of food and aid supplies into Gaza, draining its limited health services. The head of the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, said Ramadan comes in Gaza at a time when extreme hunger spreads, displacement continues, and fear and anxiety prevail. This month should bring a ceasefire for those who have suffered the most, Philippe Lazzarini wrote in an X post. Diab al-Zaza, a 77-year-old Gaza resident, told the Middle East Eye, ME, news portal that the Palestinians are living in conditions worse than the Nakba catastrophe. He was referring to the ethnic cleansing of Palestinian natives by the apartheid Israeli regime in 1948. I've been through many hardships, but in all my life I've never lived more difficult days than these because of hunger, thirst, loss and separation, he said. Ramadan this year will be sad because the war has not left us anything. They destroyed the mosques. They even destroyed the Al-Amari Mosque, which was more than 1,400 years old. Fatima Madouk, a mother of 6 children, said she does not feel ready for Ramadan. Although it is a month of goodness and blessings, I and my family are all hungry. I never used to work before the war, but now all my children and I work because of this situation, she said. Madouk also noted that she was forced to mix flour with barley, wheat, corn and birdseed to feed her children, one of whom has heart problems. On Monday, Israeli warplanes bombed a home in the Sabra neighborhood of Gaza City, killing at least 16 people and injuring dozens more. Most of those killed were women and children, the Wafa news agency reports. Meanwhile, mediators Egypt, Qatar and the United States failed to broker a pre-Ramadan ceasefire between Israel and the Palestinian Hamas resistance group. United Nations Secretary-General Antonio Guterres says Israel has to stop the killing, bombing and bloodshed in the Gaza Strip to honor the spirit of the holy month of Ramadan. Guterres told reporters on Monday that by the start of Ramadan, Muslims around the world celebrate and spread the values of peace, reconciliation and solidarity. Yet in Gaza, he said, the killing, bombing and bloodshed continue, with civilian killings and destruction at a level that is unprecedented.